So we got a stone chip here. Let's get a zoom in on it. It's right here. Is that a good zoom in? Can you see that clearly? Okay, so this is actually a pretty bad hit. First thing we're gonna do is drill it out. We wanna get all the debris out of there, and we wanna make access to the crack. We need access, we gotta make access to the crack. Might wanna come around for this. See you, buddy. Okay, we're gonna keep going. So we're almost there. Still got some debris in there. There we go. Let's get a zoom in on this. It's kind of hard to see. There it is. So there's the hit. Kind of a bad hit, but you can see it there. And what we've done, we've drilled it out, got the debris out, and gain access to the cracks with the Dremel, the drill. And now we gotta pick some of it out with the picks, kind of like a dentist. Perfect, perfect. So we use this tool here, it's a pick, and we get the debris out, little pieces. Blow as you're doing it. No, you don't, because you're gonna ruin the footage. You're gonna ruin the footage. So I'll do the blowing. The camera guy just holds the camera. Okay, so we're cleaning out the debris. Okay. Next. Grab the bridge. So, pull these back. The resin has to come through here into the crack, and it's compressed down with this. So you want to look right over the crack, through the hole, and drop it right dead center. Right there. And lock it in place. Perfect. Now come to this angle here. I'm going to show it on this angle here. So now, if we look at it on the side, and kind of low like this. Yes. So now we want to put the bridge down flush. So this is going to change the angle. So it's about the same angle slope as the windshield. And then we bring this down and just snug. Because if you go too tight, you're going to crack it. Right there. Now we're going to apply the resin. For a large crack like that, we need about 12 to 15 drops. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, compression tool goes in and you tighten it down till it goes snug. Once you feel restriction, you stop. Next, we get our light. Excellent cameraman today. Okay, let's plug in the light. And let's turn it on. So let's get the light here on camera. This is the UV light. So this is actually a UV bulb. It's not a regular light bulb. You get it at the pet store. It's for lizards and stuff. Reptiles. No, really, because they need the sun to survive. They need the UV rays. So you find it at the pet store. It's about $30 for the bulb. And that's what I use. So right now we're just going to use it as a light to keep an eye on the crack and to make sure that the resin is going in. And then later we're going to use this to cure the resin. So I'll go inside the vehicle where I can have a look at the crack. Then we're going to apply some heat, and that'll actually spread the crack open a little bit and allow the resin to come in and the air to get out. We're vibrating the window right now a little bit by gently knocking it. That'll release any air bubbles that might be in there. I can see by being in there that the resin is still the crack. The way that you see that is a little bit of a cloudiness to it around the crack. Okay, now we're going to put this little plastic shield on here. That's going to hold the resin in place. So you hold it like that, release the compression. Always want to release the compression before you take the bracket off. Now release the suction, drop it down. That'll hold the resin in place, and the UV light now is going to cure it. And this will take about 5 minutes. So we're going to hold that there. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. We're going to take the UV light off. Should be cured by now. I'm just going to move it out of the way for now. Take the plastic cover off. I'm going to use that again in a minute. Now we have this solid plastic. The resin turns into a solid, and that's what holds it all together. So we're going to shave the excess off with a diamond cut.
I can still see it.
You're ruining the entire instructional video. We use this diamond cut blade. And we trim it down. You can see the hard plastic, that's what it's like when it cures. And that's what holds the crack together and prevents it from splitting. Also, it makes it waterproof, so moisture doesn't get in and freeze overnight, cause it to split. We're almost there. Take these extras off. Go. And let's take a look here. Wow. Very good. Now, we're going to do, next step is to fill the pit. There's a little pit here, so when you run your finger, you can feel a little something. And so we use pit filler. Same process. We put a tiny drop. Little. Lost it. There it is. Okay. Little drop. Put that in there. And since it's so little, only take 2 minutes with the light. Okay, good. So this is totally cured now. So we're going to take the plastic off. This is the final layer. This is the pit fill. Take the plastic off. Grab the blade. And make the final layer flush with the glass so you can't even feel that this thing ever had a crack. Almost there. It's just a very thin layer for the top coat. There we go. And when you're filing it, you want to go really softly or it'll bite too deep and then you got to put another pit fill. And you kind of keep going until you feel that it's flush. Hear that squeak?
Yes, I do. Oh,
that means it's flush.
Okay, that's okay to say?
Perfect. I can't even feel it.
Really?
You can't. You want to feel this?
No, it's okay, I trust you. I don't know, you know.
Perfect. Perfect. Now we clean it, and that's it. It's done. And don't forget to clean the inside because the lighter will leave a mark, but it wipes right off.
Good.
So now we get our glass cleaner. 100% glass cleaner.
Oh, where's the sucker for a second?
We spray it up,
Look at that.
and we just clean the whole windshield. And wipe her down.
Wow.
Fresh paper towel.
It's amazing.
Okay, nice fresh paper towel. We wipe it.
Wow.
And there it is. I can't even see it.
I think it's weird.
Where is it? You're a funny man. There we go. And give it a little more wipe.
It's not like this, I hear that.
Yep. Thanks, Frank.
Hey, I'm here for you.
There we go. Will we get the other side?
Yes, yes. You might want to take the tripod off before you hit the tripod and the food goes flying.
Thanks, Frank. There we go. Nice and clean. And there we have it. Totally filled. Can't even feel it. And there it is. That's what's left of it. Completely filled and sealed.